Today let's talk about a problem with the squeakiness coming from the front end of my Toyota 5th Gen 4runner. Welcome back to the channel. This is Paul, and today we're going to talk about the issue I'm having with the front end of my Toyota 4runner. Every time I go over a speed bump, it squeaks. And today I finally decided to take a closer look at the squeak, since all of a sudden it started happening not just to the right side of the vehicle but also to the left side, and it's become a bit annoying. I started off by just looking at the car directly and trying to figure out if there was any loose bolts, but I couldn't find any. So I went online to try to investigate if anyone else was having this same issue. Based on what I could find, it seems like it's pointing to the control arm bushings, possibly the sway bar bushing. And so I am actually going to start with that by lubricating those bushings to see if maybe they dried out over time, and hopefully this lubrication will lube it again to keep it from squeaking. I decided to purchase some WD-40, specifically the silicone type, to give it a try in hopes that this will solve my issue. For safety, I put on some rubber gloves and then sprayed the upper control arm first, followed by the sway bar at the bottom, and then also sprayed the lower control arm and the coilovers where they mount to the lower control arm. Now, if you want to know exactly which product I use, check out the description below and I'll have a link there to the exact product that I used to spray the bushings. After the spray, I took the car out and drove it for about 10 to 15 minutes and did notice that the noise decreased a little bit, but it was also still there. But the good news is that it actually decreased. So I brought it back home and I decided to give it a second spray. This time I sprayed again, and I made sure I spray it thoroughly. I let it sat for about 10 minutes and then I took it out for another drive around the block, trying to go over as many bumps as I could. After this second spray, I noticed that the noise has completely went away. So the WD-40 actually did the job, and the online research that I did point me in the right direction. So I'm actually very happy that the outcome went the way I wanted it to, and this product actually helped with quietening up the squeaky noise that's coming from the front end. Now I'm glad that this simple spray solved the problem that I've been having for a year now, a little over a year. But if you're having the same issue, give this spray a try. See if it'll resolve your squeakiness. I'm going to be driving it a few months to see if it comes back, and if so, I'll report back in another video. But for now, I am just very happy that the squeakiness has gone away and I could drive without having to hear that squeak every time I go over a bump. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I just wanted to put this out in case you're running into the same issue with your 5th Gen 4runner. In my case, it was just the bushings, and with this lubricant spray, I was able to solve the issue. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.